Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Memorex DVD-RW rewritable for computer or home video recorders 5-pack DVD set, and on the bottom it just says save up to 4 times 4.7 gigabytes, 120 minutes per video. And yeah, let me flip it over. Ooh. Okay, so it just says, gives it in English, like what all it can do. I'm not going to read it because it's a lot, but best use of different DVD formats. And then it just says video mode, recording time, and it just gives all that fancy writing and stuff, which I'm not really like equipped to, but I can tell you guys definitely how it's worked for me and what I use these for and how I came about this product and all of that fun stuff. So just starting off with the brand before I even get into how I came across these. Memorex is honestly, guys, when I think of like adorable or a very like quality brand when it comes to like electronic things, my mind definitely always goes to Memorex, just because I've used their DVDs, I've used some of their like CDs. It's just a very good brand in my opinion, and I just never switched up on it. So yeah, that's Memorex for me. Super. Anytime anybody's like, okay, like what brand of DVD or CDs I should get, I always say Memorex or Sony. I super love both those brands. But yeah, so just getting started into how I came across this lovely DVD sets. I was doing a project when I was in high school, and it was a PSA announcement, and we had to burn our PSA announcement on a DVD. But the mistake that I made was the DVD that I originally got, it was not rewritable. So for anybody who is confused about what a rewritable disc is, it's basically like, let's say if I loaded a whole movie on here, and then I was like, oh my goodness, I loaded the wrong movie. I could rewrite over the disc that I originally burned, and I could rewrite a new movie over it. And so yeah, that's basically what a rewritable disc is. I can just copy something else over the original thing that I copied, and it won't like mess up the disc or anything, and it will just, yeah, rewrite for me. And that's very important in terms of like, well, the situation that I had. I ended up loading the wrong thing on there, and guys, these are not like super expensive, but you are spending some money, and so you would hate to purchase something and then now I'm only down 4 discs. And in my case, me and a couple of my classmates, we went like different ways splitting the price. So I only had 1 disc. So there was nothing I could do about it. So I ended up having to go purchase my own. The reason why I actually have a brand new pack of these is because I am like in the midst of, for a grad school thesis, doing like a short films on like child development. So I went out and I purchased a new pack of these, and the one thing that I can say from back when I originally used these to now, like which is like 6 years later, it's never changed. Like the brand has always been sturdy. This is like, getting this pack just brought back so many memories of like getting the pack like 6 years ago. Like it has not changed for me, and that's why I always say about this brand, it's just something that's like I've never switched up on it, and it's never switched up on me, and it's always stayed the same. And I think that's so important when it comes to brands. But yeah, just getting deeper into the DVD itself and everything. So like it says, you can load up to 120 minutes on there on each DVD, and I love that just because I know I take like entities of things. So like I'll take like one small part and put it on there, then I'll put like another small part, or like I know a lot of people who put burn their favorite TV shows, which is, please be careful, it's illegal, so don't do that. But I do know people who put their favorite TV shows on DVDs like this, My favorite thing to do though, and I do this in my spare time, and this is aside from school, and so I know like times have changed and things have updated in today's culture, and I know home videos used to be such a big thing when I was growing up. I still have all my home videos from when I was little, and I love going back and watching them. So one day, whenever the day is that I have children, I plan on like doing home videos from like my cell phone or whatever camera I'm using. And in today's technology, we have a way, like you can upload obviously videos to your iTunes or your computer, and then you can actually burn them to DVDs. And so I know a lot of people nowadays don't even barely have DVD players now. It's all about Fire Stick and Blu-ray. But this is a very unique way to save your memories and everything like that, and without it being too out of date. There's still DVD players around that you guys can play these with, or just use your computer DVD, and it's just a good way to like bring back home videos, because I know barely anybody do, like I rarely see people do home videos anymore. But yeah, so like I stated before, I will always be a fan of this brand, and it's just something for me that's never changed, and I don't ever plan on swapping out anywhere else to get my DVDs. But like I said before, this is just the Memorex DVD rewritables, which is really important, guys, because you don't want to be loading the wrong thing and then be stuck with a DVD that you can't even use now. But this is just the DVD rewritable, 4.7 gigabytes, 120 minutes on each disc, and this is just the 5-pack.